Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll quickly explain how to avoid using the ID.txt file every time and how to send API commands without needing to log in repeatedly. So first we log into the management server and then expert mode. So the general way to log in is mgmt CLI log in user password and then send that to a text file. And then to use that text file we needed to mgmt cle sed.txt and then, for example, show hosts. But there is a quicker way to do that, so we don't need to create that, especially and only here when you are working in the expert mode. You don't need to log in, so we can do the same by using the -r true or --root true. So for example, we can do this mgmt cle -r, which means root, and true, and then show hosts. The same is true if we try like this. And here root 2. So this was a quick video to show that. So thank you for watching. See you next time.